Smart learning for all.
Why can't dogs eat chocolates?
Because I would love to have all the chocolates for myself.
Alright, now listen. Chocolates and other cocoa products contain a toxic component called theobromine. The darker the chocolate, the more theobromine and the more it is harmful.
But I eat chocolates, and I'm completely fine.
Our body quickly metabolizes the theobromine. Thus, it is not quite harmful for us. However, dogs process theobromine much more slowly, so it stays in their bodies for a longer time, resulting in vomiting, diarrhea, etc. Moreover, if large quantities of chocolate are ingested by the dog, the effects can be much more severe. The heart rate of the dog might be twice its normal rate, increasing the blood flow. This can prove to be lethal to the dog.
For more educational videos, please visit www.smartlearningforall.com. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel